Hey guys, welcome back to the Spanglish show of Los Buddies on the Road. We took a little break since we were waiting on some parts to arrive, so we went on vacation while waiting for that. On this video, we are gonna work on the insulation for the ceiling and also installing our Maxx fan, and I'm gonna show you what we are using for the insulation. For el techo de la guagua, we're using foam board and this self-stick insulation hangers. We got these on Amazon and they have this peel and stick double-sided tape, and then you just put it on the ceiling and then you grab your insulation, put it there, and you have to cut the rest of that. I don't know if you can see it. And then it comes with this little guy that you just pop it in there, and that's it. We're trying to avoid using spray glue, so we'll see if this works. If not, if the glue is not too strong, then we're planning to just put Gorilla tape around it. Let's see how it works. Let's get to work. That you're gonna stick the pins, just to make sure that they can stick very well to the lata of the guagua. You got it, right? You got the point. Now that we put this little chapita thing, now we're just gonna cut this, and that's it. Pretty easy. So we did this first one, and now we gotta cut the rest of those pins and continue with the rest. Esta calor está de madre. All right, so we just cut this template. We're gonna go and see the perfect spot to put the fan. We're just adding some double-sided tape to get this baby on el techo de la guagua, so we can mark where we have to drill the hole. Have we done this before? Nah, but we're doing it. I'm just making sure that we have the same measurements inside and outside, because we are cutting once. Estamos adding a Gorilla tape because the vibration is insane. So this is what they do on YouTube, so we're just following instructions. Just gonna try this to see if it fits. We still have to like file this down a little bit and then use the Rust-Oleum paint. That way it doesn't get moss or anything like that. So this is supposed to fit here. It fits. Oh, yes. Beautiful. Hey, you.
What's up?
I'm cleaning the edges before doing the Rust-Oleum. One, two, catch. We did it. Lo hicimos. It's 8 o'clock. Se supone que lo hiciéramos en la mañana, but it was raining. Alright guys, good night. Good morning. So today we are finishing the fan. So let's get to work. So we just made this support frame using 3/4 inch plywood. Y es para the frame bracket, the fan bracket. And it's just gonna rest right here. It's gonna be inside the van. That way when we mount the bracket like this, we have some extra support for the screws. That's it. It's looking good. Ah, such a beautiful day, man. I can see it. I can see clearly now. The rain is gone. Babe,
What?
it's perfect.
¿Quedó?
Yeah.
Uy.
Since the Ford Transit have these grooves on top, we're just gonna double the potty
tape.
the potty tape on the grooves. That way it matches with the rest of the area. You know what I'm saying? Double it up. It was easier than what we thought. We were super afraid of cutting that huge hole, but looks good. Thank you for watching all the way to the end, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like, and we'll see you next weekend. Bye.